In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Calendly to close CRM. By the end, your Calendly scheduling will be connected to Close, so meeting links and availability are easy to access right where you work. Start by opening Close CRM in your browser and signing in to the workspace you use for your sales activity. It helps to have both your Close and Calendly accounts accessible in the same browser, especially if your organization uses multiple workspaces. Once you're in Close, head to Settings and look for the Integrations section. If you don't see it, you may need permission from an admin, but most users will find Integrations in the left-hand sidebar. Inside Integrations, find the Calendly option and click it. This opens the dedicated page for the Calendly connection. Click the button to connect your Calendly account. This begins a standard authorization flow and will open a secure Calendly window. If you're already logged into Calendly, you'll see a prompt to continue. If you have more than one Calendly account or are part of a team, make sure the correct profile is selected before proceeding. Next, click the option to connect with Calendly and approve access. You'll be asked to confirm that Close can read your scheduling information so it can show your links inside the CRM. Review the prompt and click Connect to Calendly to authorize. After a brief moment, you'll be redirected back to Close, and you should see a confirmation that your Calendly account is now linked. If anything appears stuck, a quick refresh usually updates the connection status. With the connection in place, go back to Settings in Close and open Scheduling Links. This is where Close pulls in your Calendly links automatically. You'll see your available event types listed here, things like 15-minute discovery or demo sessions, exactly as you've configured them in Calendly. These links are now stored and ready to use across Close, so you can quickly grab the right link when messaging prospects or logging activities without leaving the CRM. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If your links don't appear, verify you authorize the correct Calendly account and refresh the page. Changes you make in Calendly, like new event types or updated availability, will reflect here after syncing. And if your team uses shared event types, make sure you've connected the profile that has access to those events. That's it. Your Calendly is now linked to Close, and your scheduling links are organized and ready to go.